Oh, why is 8? Teacher can wait a little bit and teacher will start our lesson.
Okay.
Okay, good job. So, where's your friends? Where are your friends? Where are your friends right now? Where are your friends? Where are your friends right now? Come, come, come. Study time. Time to study.
Hello, Teacher Joanne.
Hello. Hello. Okay, can teacher start now? 14 people here. Okay. 3, 2. Oh, what is that? Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing? What you doing? No, just okay. Time to study. 3, 2, 1. Everybody, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
And yeah, good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm
Teacher,
fine.
14. Thank you, and you?
Okay, for 15, right now 15 people here. So what subject we study today? What subject we study today? Science, very good, good job. Today we will study science with this book. So are you ready? Ready. Are you, PJ, ready for teacher, please? Do not sleep right there. Okay. Are you ready? Everybody, are you ready?
Lady.
Are you ready? Ready.
Ready.
Very good. Thank you, everybody. The same rules. When teacher teach, turn off your microphone and listen to the teacher. Okay.
Okay.
But when teacher asks, you have to answer. But when teacher doesn't ask, you just quiet and listen to the teacher. Okay. 3, 2, 1. For the topic today, we will study about chap. We will start with chapter 4, force and its effects. Force and its effect by teacher Joanne. So, what is force? What is force? Force mean when we push something or when we pull something, we have to use the force and energy to push them or pull them, right? This is a force. This is a force, which means the power that we have, and we have to push something to the forward, or we have to pull something into the backward. They are all force, right? For example, force.
Teacher, sorry, I am late.
Oh, it's okay. No worry. Teacher here.
Okay. I was
Oh,
eating, so I'm late. Yeah.
okay. Oh, what's
Yeah,
wrong with the
amazing.
camera? Hello.
Why are you blind?
Oh,
Teacher,
no,
why are
no, I
you
don't know.
green? Okay.
Okay, I'm back. Force. For example, what is force mean? Look at this. Look at this. This is reminding. This is a table, right? And this is object. This is an object, And the force mean when we push something, push something to the forward, or when we pull something to the backward. Which mean we have to use a force. We have to use a force, right? Force. Do not talk, please. Turn off your microphone. Understand? Is it clear about force?
Not talk.
Okay. Is it clear
Yeah.
about force? For example, when teacher
Easy.
want to push, teacher want to push like this. Teacher have to use a force, right? To push something to the forward, like something like this, or pull. Teacher have to use the force and teacher energy to pull something like this, right? Okay, PJ, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good job. Today we will study about force. What is force? What is force? What is force? Like force is
Cool.
like this. For example, this is a tug of war, right? We have to use our energy and power to push, to pull the rope like this. We use force. And this one we have to use the force to push the cart, right? To push the cart to the forward. If we don't have a force, the cart will not going. Yeah, the cart will stay there. If we don't have a force, right? So we have to push and pull this something like this. We have to use force. Understand?
Understand now, teacher?
Okay, good job. Force is something like this. Force is a form of energy. That teacher say energy. We have to use our energy and power to making a force. Force is a form of energy that is can change shapes, size, and direction of objects. Form of energy that it can change shape. What does it mean? Because force it doesn't have shape, right? Yeah, which means when we pull something, the force will go to that right? And size and direction. What does the direction mean? Direction, something like in front, go forward, go backward, to the left, to the right?
Up, down.
Yeah, up down. For of objects. For example, teacher have a box. Teacher have a box here. Teacher have a box here, and then teacher wants a box to go into the left side. Teacher wants a box go into the left side, which means teacher pull the box into the left side. And the force will bring the box to the left side because they can go any direction that we want, right? If teacher wants to go to the left, right, forward, backward, something like this. Right. Is it clear?
Okay, teacher.
Good job. Who share the screen? Boss, do not share. Boss, what are you doing?
Teacher, my lunch is very yummy. I have chicken nugget.
Okay. It's not chicken nugget time right now.
Okay.
Yeah, and then how many types of force effects? How many types of force effects? There are 3 types of force effects. So, teacher asks, how many types of force effects? There are 3 types of force effects. Number one, change shapes. Number two, change size. Number three, change directions. Direction. So, name a direction for teacher, please. Name a direction for teacher, please.
Left.
Left, right.
Right.
Forward, backward.
Down.
Yeah. Change. Look at this one. You have to imagine. Imagine this one is a plastic ball. Plastic ball. When we put the plastic ball together, actually, the plastic ball is circle, right? But when we use our force, when we use our energy to push them together, they change shape, right? They change from circle to oval.
Teacher Clay. Teacher Clay.
Yeah, clay. What else?
No.
Clay.
Teacher Leaf. Teacher Leaf. Okay.
Yeah. This one change size. For example, the rubber band. See the rubber? Can you see the rubber band? The rubber band. Actually, the rubber band is a little circle, right? But when we pull them together, when we pull them out together, they will change a size, right? They will change a side. And last one, change direction. Change direction. For example, if this man, the blue shirt man, have more power, the more power, the man will be win, right? This is change direction. We use forces for many activities. In our daily life, we use forces for many activities. In every day, such as pressing, dragging, pushing, kicking. So, what is pressing? Do you remember? What is pressing? What is pressing? Pressing. Press means we have to press something, right? Pressing. Yeah. Good job. Pressing. Very good.
Teacher open door.
Yeah. Like this in many activities that we use. Look at this one. For example, we pouring the water, right? How about this one? Playing swing. We use the force in our main activities in our daily life. And then let's see the examples of forces. The example of forces. Like teacher say, push. Everybody say together, push.
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 Push mean we have to use the force by use our energy to push something forward like this. Push. Next. What does it called?
Pull.
Pull. Very good. We have to pull something to the direction that we want, right? Pull. 3, 2, 1, pull.
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 Pull. Teacher, who is talking? Who talking?
Who is talking?
Yeah. We don't talking.
Thank you, Pooh. Very good.
We play game.
Pooh, you have to study. You cannot play game. Okay. Next. Pooh and this one
Teacher, I'm Nepka.
Hit.
Hit. Very good. Hit. We
Teacher,
when
my
we
internet is
Hit.
not good.
your internet is not good.
Teacher, baseball. Teacher, baseball.
Yeah. Hit the baseball. Hit the ball.
Teacher, baseball.
Hit. We have to use the force too, right?
Yes.
Force. Yes. Next. Oh, what's this one?
Hit.
Kick. Kick.
Three.
Kick.
Yeah, I know.
What is one?
Basketball.
ไม่รู้
Throw. Throw.
Basketball.
Because we have to throw something to the direction that we want, right? Throw to the direct.
Direction.
Very good. Direction. What is it?
Do.
Mow the dough. But it's good. What's correct? Mow the dough, which means we have to making a dough.
Like clay.
What is it? Squeeze. Squeeze. When we squeeze something, squeeze. This one,
The sponge teacher. The sponge teacher.
yeah, the sponge. What is the type of them? Change shape, change size, or change direction?
Change shape.
Very good. Change shape. Change shape. Twist. Twist mean we twist everything together like this. Twist. There are
Two times.
two types of forces. There are two types of forces. Teacher asks first.
Teacher, what is PJ doing?
Teacher doesn't know. What are you doing? Squeeze. Pangya, what are you squeezing? Show teacher. Squeeze for teacher, please. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze, which means we change shape, change size, or change direction.
Teacher, what about scissor? What about scissor?
Let's see. Let's
Teacher,
see.
what about scissor?
Scissor. Scissor, right?
Scissor.
Scissor, we don't use the forces because scissor have a blade to cut everything. To cut
Okay.
it. Push, change shape, change size, or change direction.
Direction.
Direction, good job. Pull, change shape, change size, or change direction.
Direction.
Direction, very good.
Bye.
Hit, change shape, change size, or change direction.
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 Kick, change shape, change size, or change direction.
Direction.
Direction. Throw, change shape, change size, or change direction.
Direction.
Direction, very good. Mold, change shape, change size, or change direction.
Shape.
Woo! Boy, is that you?
Yes.
Yeah, change shape because if we cut the dough, we will cut the another one, right? Change shape. Squeeze, change shape, change size, or change direction.
Change shape.
Change shape. Very good. Teacher asks her. Tell right now. Tell teacher name the activity that we use forces. Name activity that we use forces.
Open the door.
Open the door. Very good. Because we have to use our power, our energy to open the door, right? Good job.
Yes.
What
Teacher,
else?
Teacher, I carry the fan because every day I want to sit outside. I have to carry the fan outside.
It's okay.
Yes.
But it's a bit hot, right?
In front of the house. In front of the house. I have to pull the fan.
Okay, it's okay. What else? What activities that we use forces?
Um, um,
What activity that we use forces? Open the door, open the door, close the door, open the window, close the window. Ah, what else? These one, are you clear? Are you clear?
Clear what, teacher?
For about forces, are you clear?
Teacher.
What? How many types of force effects? How many types of force effects? There are 3 types of force effects.
Teacher.
Very good. Hey, what's going on? There are 3 types of force effects. Number 1, change,
Change it.
change shape. Number 2,
Change direction.
change direction. Number 3,
I have to bring.
change shape, change direction, and change
Change
size.
size.
Change size. Yeah. Change shape, change directions, and change size.
Teacher, today easy.
Yeah, easy, but it's not done for today. There's a lot. Right. Okay. This
My
one is
internet
clear.
is not good.
This one is clear about forces. Can teacher move? Okay.
Yeah, my internet is not good.
Okay, you have to fix it, PJ. There are 2 types of forces. There are 2 types of forces. There are 2 types of forces. What are they? Number 1, we call resultant force. Resultant force. What is resultant force? Number 2, it is frictional force. Frictional force. Frictional force. Yes, frictional force. Yeah, like this one. For the unit of force, it is Newton. And for the unit of force, the unit in measuring a force is Newton. The unit in measuring force is Newton. So look at this one. For the left side, there are 500 newtons. And for the right side, there are 450 newtons. Which means when we use a force, what direction it will be? What direction it would be? What direction it would be? The left side, right? Because the left side has 500 newtons, but the right side only 450 newtons. Right? All right. There are 2 types of forces. Number 1, resultant force. Resultant force. So what is resultant force? What is resultant force? Let's see what is resultant force. Resultant force means like this. Hello, can you hear teacher?
Yes, I can, teacher.
I can.
Oh, very good. Resultant force. Resultant force. Look at this one. The left side has 500 newtons and the right side has 500 newton too. Right? The sum, which means resultant force is the sum of all forces acting on objects is the resultant force. which means look at this one. The sum, which means the sum of all forces. The all forces here, that is resultant force. Let's see. The symbol sigma show the resultant force. This is we call sigma. Like an E here, we call sigma. Ah, net force is sum of all forces acting on an object. So what is an object on this picture? A little teddy bear here, right? Which mean they have to, which mean they have to pull off the teddy bear, and the teddy bear will not going anything. The teddy bear will stand here, which means they have a resultant force.
Resultant what?
Yeah. So how can we measuring forces? How can we measuring forces? We use a spring scale. This one we call spring scale because inside they have a spring here, spring scale, Newton of weight. Like this spring scale. How to use, which mean you have to put something on this one, and the scale will run up or down, and we have to measuring the forces. A spring scale has a spring which can stretch when a pulling force acts on it. For example, teacher teacher bring something on this one on the hook, and the hook will go to the spring inside, and spring inside they will stretch, and pulling the force acts on it, something like 2 and 30 Newton here, like the unit in measuring force is Newton. What is the unit for measuring forces? What is the unit for measuring force? One more. What is the unit in measuring force?
Newton.
It is Newton. Very good. So there are two types of force direction. There are two types of force direction. Number one, two forces acting in the same direction. What does it mean? Two forces acting in the same direction. Like this one. How many people are there in this picture?
There are 3 people.
There are 3 people, right? One people ride this car, ride a car, and 2 people push them, right? Which means F1, F1 and F1 and F2. F1 and F2. They have two forces. They have two forces to push the object to forward, right? Which means two forces acting in the same direction because they push forward into the same direction. Look at this one. F1. F1 is a girl, is a woman in the green dress. They have 7 Newton. F2. F2 is a boy with yellow shirt. It is 10 Newton. Which means the sum of them is 17 Newton, right? But they push in the same direction, right? Which means the car is moving to the right direction because they push into the same direction. This one is clear? Hello?
Clear.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
For example, this one, number one has 3 Newton, number four has 4 Newton. They are going to the same direction, which means the box is moving to the right
Right.
direction. Right. What direction that the car move? What direction that the car move?
Left.
The car is moving to the left direction, right? And these are two forces acting in the same direction. Very good. Same direction. So what is the net force? What is the net force? 25 Newton plus 20 Newton. It is 45 Newton, right? So what direction that the piano move? What direction that the piano move? Hello? Hello? Where are you? Can you hear teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. One more time. What direction that the piano move?
The right side.
Yes, right side. The right side. Because they moved into the same direction, right? This one is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Clear. Number two. Two forces acting in the opposite direction. Opposite direction. What does the opposite mean? Opposite. Opposite. Opposite.
ตรง
Opposite.
ข้ามตรงข้าม
Opposite
ตรงข้าม
direction. Good job.
Opposite.
Yeah, opposite. For example, this one, the right side, they are 3 Newton. And the left side, they are also 3 Newton. So the box will move or not move.
not
The box, because the two force, they are equal. The box will not move because because the force, they are equal. Oh, very good. Who will answer?
นี่ PJ
PJ. Oh, good job. The resultant force is zero. As two opposite forces cancel each other out.
Like this, right? Like this. Like this.
Yeah, like this. And then the box is not moving. And then go. Example of the two forces are equal. The
Teacher,
Pardon? What's going on?
my house is rainy.
Oh, it's okay, but be careful. It's okay.
Careful about the thunderstorm.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Teacher, my internet is not good.
Don't worry, it's okay. If you cannot follow, you can study later. It's okay. So let's see. The right side, the right side is 300 Newton and the left side is 300 Newton. So this one will move or not move? Equal. Very good. The object is not moving. The object is not moving.
Can I go
What?
drink water? Can I go drink water?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. This one is clear? Clear. Next, left, right. Do you know your left hand and right hand? Right now, show teacher your left hand.
yes
Show teacher your right hand. Left hand. Right hand. Left hand. Left hand. Left hand. Right hand. Where is your left hand? Where is your left hand? Here you are. Here you are. And where is your right hand? And where is your right hand?
พูดใส่
Here
หูฟัง
you
ก่อน
are. Hello, hello. Okay.
I am back, teacher. I am back.
Okay. Left and right. Very good. Left and right.
เข้าไม่ไหวแล้ว
There are two types of force direction. And then look at this one. The left side, there are 25 Newton. But the right side, there are 14 Newton. So the box, what direction that the box move? Left or right? What direction that the box move? Left or right?
Left. Is this
Left. Yeah, because the left there are 25 Newton.
They are more.
The force are not equal. The object will move to the side that has larger size of forces. Larger size of forces. So it will move to the left direction.
Teacher.
Okay, who call teacher?
Me.
What's going on?
flying
Okay, Boeing. What's going on?
Equal is same. Not equal is not same, right, teacher?
Yeah, equal is the same. The right side and the left side, they are the same. But if the force is not equal, which means they are not the same. And look at this one. Yeah, and the object. This is an object, right? This is an object, right? Look. The object will be moved in the side that have larger side. For example, this one, the left side, it is 25 Newton, and the right side, it is 14 Newton, which means the object will move into the larger side. Which one is the larger? Left or right? Which one is the larger side? Left or right?
Left.
Left. So it is the box will moving to the left. Right? Understand? On the left direction.
Understand.
Good job. So not equal. Oh, look at the dog. The right side, and this one, what is this? Is this a toy, a dog toy, right? The dog on the right side, there are 12 Newton, and the dog in the right side, the dog in the right side, it is 12 Newton, and the dog in the left side, it is 10 Newton. So, which direction that the dog toy will move? Which direction?
The right direction.
The right direction. The object is moving to the right direction because there is a larger force. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. This one move to the left. Let's practice. How many minutes left? Oh, 1 minute left. Okay. Okay.
1 minute left.
Yeah. Which direction is the box moving? 3, 2, 1. Which direction is the box moving?
The right, teacher. The right.
The box will moving to the right. The box is moving to the right direction. Very good. Which direction is the box moving?
Moving to the left direction.
Very good. The box is moving to the left direction. And last one. Which direction is the box moving?
To the left direction.
Very good. The box is moving to the left direction. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear for today?
Yes, teacher.
Is it easy?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, good job. Panya, what is his name? Your model. What is his name? Your model.
Tia Asmu.
Okay.
Hey.
Is it clear today? Is it clear today?
Yes, teacher.
Where are you? Go already.
Teacher, why is my little brother want to talk with me?
Teacher also doesn't know.
Bye bye, teacher.
Okay. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Understand.
Very good. And that's it for
It's
today.
reading, teacher.
Yeah.
He
And
wants
that's
to
it for today. Hope to see you next week. Today, bye-bye.
Bye
Bye.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye, teacher. It's reading.
Yeah, it's raining here.
Bye, teacher.
He's my little brother.
Where's your little brother?
Yeah.
What is his name?
Bully.
Bye-bye.
Go to eat pudding.
Okay, goodie.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, boss. Bye-bye, Dan.
Kamui.
Bye-bye.
Teacher, bye-bye. See you next week.
Yeah, see you next week.
My hair
Bye-bye.
is on my face. My hair is on my face.
Okay, go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
นี่อยู่นี่เหรอ
ฮะ
ฮัลโหลครับ ใครอยู่บ้างครับไม่มีใครอยู่เลยเหรอ
คุณตกอยู่ครับ
ไอออนะ
เดี๋ยวกัน
เบิ้มหน่อย
พอแล้ว
ขอโทษครับ
แป๊บนึงนะบ๊ายบาย
ทุกคนเจอกันใหม่เด็กดี
เอาปลายยังอยู่
เอาไป
บ๊ายบายจ้าบายบ๊ายบายครูยังอยู่บ๊ายบาย
อุ้ยกูยังอยู่บ๊ายบาย